Well, get this. We're at the place where the iconic Hoover vacuum cleaner was made. The Hoover plant, which is now an office building. And we have some Haughtons here, but unfortunately Schindler did a modernization on them. And he got a snap cap now too. Let's go to B. And we're stopping on free. See, this used to be Haughton. Oh, there's nobody there. That's strange. Now there's Schindler.
B.
Here at B. This is the parking garage. Let's go to 4. Would have been nice to see the original Haughton, but oh well, that's it.